The best way to secure your business in an increasingly turbulent global economy is by complementing cyclical equipment sales with steady recurring revenue through asset monetization. Become more than merely a vendor and capitalize on the opportunities that exist within your installed base. Create value for your customers with increased uptime and continued optimized equipment performance while reducing maintenance costs, thereby lowering total cost of ownership. Lay the foundation for outcome-based business models, making it easier for both new and existing customers to invest in your latest technologies. Siemens Service Lifecycle and Analytics helps you leverage your unique product knowledge to become a service and maintenance champion, one who fully understands the behavior of every individual, complex piece of equipment, and can turn those insights into tangible benefits for all service-related activities. Connect service with product design, engineering, and manufacturing to provide specific, more comprehensible, visual-rich service documentation, and to improve current and future products for various aspects, including serviceability based on feedback from the field. Track the entire history of each serial number, including maintenance interventions, retrofits, and upgrades in a managed and shared environment to let service operators work efficiently based on up-to-date information regarding the exact configuration of the equipment as it enters the service location, and to ensure you can guarantee continued quality and compliance of the equipment throughout its life. Leverage the IoT to learn from your products in the field, to anticipate service needs, and to ultimately adopt a predictive maintenance strategy. Grow your revenue while providing your customers with a better brand experience. Become a partner, more than merely a vendor, with Siemens Service Lifecycle and Analytics for heavy equipment.